Trapped in a world of suffocating heat and hostile silence, Alex awoke with no memory of her past, only the crushing realization that the broken nether portal had sealed her fate in this relentless, fire-wrought prison, forcing her to observe the Piglin patrols and scavenge in fear until a faint blue light of obsidian sparked the first dangerous hope for escape. Driven by the flickering hope of the floating obsidian, Alex precariously constructed a bridge across the lava chasm, only for the physical labor to trigger a devastating flashback of her betrayal, transforming her desperate scramble for resources into a sworn vow of vengeance against the one who pushed her into this hell, culminating in a fierce, quick escape from the devastating fireballs of a patrolling Ghast. The journey plunged Alex into the screaming Soul Sand Valley, where she honed her instinct to defeat the skeletal guards in brutal close-quarters combat, before seeking a brief sanctuary to craft new tools, only to use her quick wit and the Piglin's own greed as a strategic distraction to evade certain capture, proving that sharp intelligence was the most vital defense against the crushing chaos of the Nether. Alex finally infiltrated the ominous Nether Fortress, battling and defeating the elemental blaze guards, only to discover the pulsating energy core, the very source of the world's madness, which she was forced to face down against the massive Piglin brute, leading her to make the ultimate tactical sacrifice by hurling her last remaining weapon into the core, shattering the system in a blinding wave of chaotic energy. As the silence settled and the world stabilized, Alex rose, exhausted but victorious, gathering a small golden bounty as a tangible reward for her struggle, yet still weighed down by the solitude of her endless survival, until a new, strange light appeared on the horizon, signaling that her journey of mere existence was over, and the ambitious path of rebuilding and finding an ally had just begun.